sound of silence. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. In the shadow of the street lamp, I turn my collar to the cold and tan. When my eyes were stabbed by the flames of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dare disturb the sound of silence. Fool said, "Oh, you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might hear the truth. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words like silent raindrops fast and echoed in the web of silence. And the people bow and pray to the neon god they made, and the shine flares out this warning in the words that